Welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. This is Mama Sue, and I just got in another box of mystery brooches from Goodwill. I paid $29.67 for the box, and I'm going to go ahead and get it opened up for you. See what we got in this one. Here they are, and I'll go ahead and get them all sorted out for you and show you what's inside. Okay, there wasn't a real lot in this box, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. We got the signed Giovanni long stem rose flower. This flower that has a lot of rusting and wear on it, so that will just go into a craft lot. White and yellow enamel daisy flower. This one is rather big in size. It's in good condition. Rhinestone brooch. There's two green Navette rhinestones. The one is surrounded by clear rhinestones. This one is not signed. Nice blue rhinestone flower brooch. Have both light and dark rhinestones. And this one is not signed either. Another enamel flower. This one has some brown and purple enameling. It does have some wear around the edges and on the back. Have this is a pretty large one. Got some orange and yellow rhinestones, a couple glass beads, a bunch of strands with beads. This one is signed. Looks like it's handcrafted. It is signed Katrina. That one's different. Enamel flower, faux pearl center, nice large size again, and that one is not signed. Long stem rose. Do see quite a bit of wear on this one though, so that one will go into a craft lot. And another long stem rose, getting some wear on it, so that one's not too good. That'll go into a craft lot too. Just a plain gold tone leaf, and it is unsigned. This one is a lovely black intaglio glass, which means it is etched in there with the flowers. It's a cameo shape. Silver tone metal, and it has a mirror on the back side. There's the camera. That one's real nice. We have a nice bright enamel pink flower, large size. This one has a marking on the back that I'm not familiar with. It looks like a butterfly logo or something. So I gotta research that one and see who that maker is. Or if you know, let me know in the comments below. Here we have a palm tree. These little gemstone chips. However, I do see it is missing one right there. So this one will go into the craft lot. Another enamel flower. It's like a maroon color and gray. Little wear on the back. Rhinestone ribbon with a flower in the middle. And that is missing a rhinestone also. So that too will go into a craft lot. Have a silver tone leaf. Like a pewter tone grapevine. It's not pewter, but just done to look like pewter. Gold tone. I'm not sure what I would call this one. It's got bumpy flowers or petals or leaves. This one is signed Sarah Coventry. It's rather a large size. We have a hand painted one. Little bees and flowers. I had it upside down. And that one is signed S. Booty. Gold tone flower. That one's in pretty rough shape. Looks to be signed. I'm not making it out because it's so worn, so I'm not sure what that one is, but it's going in a craft lot. A silver tone apple, I believe. And that also is signed Sarah Coventry. But that one's in good shape. Another enamel flower. Looks to be okay. Don't see any signatures on that one though. And we just have a little daisy flower. White, yellow, and green enamel, gold tone. Unsigned. Another Sarah Coventry flower, all gold tone. A leaf. There's open work in the middle. Oh, however, it is missing the wheel closure on the back. So, oh, and it is signed AAI. However, that's going to go into a craft lot. And the last item that was in this box was this maple leaf. It is green enamel. It's large size. Has open work in the middle. This one is signed Sarah Coventry. And that was everything in this box. Overall, not too bad compared for the price that we paid for it. If you enjoy unboxing of mystery brooches, be sure to subscribe to our channel, I'll have lots more jewelry unboxings coming up in the near future. Please remember to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.